Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and good morning to you, partner.
Good morning, partner.
So, what's our topic for today?
We have a very interesting topic today, partner. And it's all about the determination of antiplatelet activity of the flavonoid extract from the fruit of calabash Crescentia cuitilin from the family of Bignoneaceae.
That's nice, partner.
Yeah, alright. And to start with, let us discuss about the living facts of the study. Living facts. Platelets, along with red cells and plasma, form a major proportion and an important constituent of both human and animal blood. Thrombocytes, commonly known as platelets, are important blood components that mostly are needed to control bleeding. Platelets are a natural source of growth factors. Platelet is essential in the maintenance of hemostasis. This is achieved primarily by the formation of thrombi, when damage to the endothelium of blood vessels occurs. Platelet activation is a series of cascading responses which allow blood platelets to react to an injury. Platelets could be thought of as one of the body's emergency response teams. When a cut or burn occurs, the body sends out a distress signal, and platelets are among the many specialized cells which flock to the site of a wound to form a barrier, causing blood to clot.
For better understanding, just watch this. Roll VTR.
So, partner, platelets stop the bleeding and protect the body, while it heals and rebuilds the injured area.
Correct. That's how powerful and sensible the platelets are. But of course, if we have living facts, dying facts are also present.
Dying facts? What do you mean?
Little or too much production of platelets may also damage our body and may possibly lead to death.
Oh, I see. Sounds interesting. And what are they, partner?
Dying facts are the acquired conditions that may cause abnormal test results include autoimmune disorders that create antibodies against platelets, such as AIDS. Myeloproliferative diseases that cause the bone marrow to produce too many red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets, may also cause problems with the ability of platelets of aggregate. An abnormality or disease of the platelets is called a thrombocytopathy, which could be either a low number of platelets, also known as thrombocytopenia, a thrombocythemia which decrease the function of platelets, or thrombocytosis that increase the number of platelets. In people with low platelet counts, it can be difficult to, however, if the number of platelets is too high, blood clots can form, thrombosis, which may obstruct blood vessels and result in such events as a stroke, myocardial infarction, pulmonary embolism, or the blockage of blood vessels to other parts of the body, such as the extremities of the arms or legs. Platelets can also aggregate when injury to a blood vessel occurs, like during atherosclerosis. In this situation, the platelets cause blood clots to develop in an already stressed artery and may lead to heart attack and stroke. Oh, I see. Platelets play an important role in our life. We can acquire disease if there is an imbalance on the platelet.
That's right, partner. Actually, when I went to Pennsylvania, I got the opportunity to talk to Dr. Bruce Sachai, a medical doctor and also a pharmacy doctor from Penn Medicine. And he taught me about how platelet and heart diseases are correlated. In fact, I have a video clip of my interview to him. Roll VTR.
Great. But how can we prevent stroke, myocardial infarction, pulmonary embolism and other diseases connected to this to happen?
Of course, healthy lifestyle must be followed.
And then?
Then, here is where the antiplatelet medication comes in, to prevent these undesirable things or diseases from happening.
Partner, what is antiplatelet drug?
An antiplatelet drug is a medicine that acts on the body's platelets to prevent them from clotting or clumping together abnormally, as might occur during a heart attack. The commonly known antiplatelet medication include aspirin, and the other common one used to treat heart diseases include the Plavix, clopidogrel bisulfate, and Ticlid, ticlopidine hydrochloride.
Do you think those drugs are affordable?
Don't you know, partner, that here in the Philippines, the cost of the drugs is among the highest in the world. The price of drugs and medicines in Philippines is higher by 40 to 70% than in other Asian countries in the Philippines.
Absolutely, partner. That is why many people choose to make use of an alternative medicine, especially the use of herbal plants. Our country has an abundant supply of herbal plants that can be a source of many pharmaceutical active constituents and have been thoroughly tested and clinically proven to have medicinal value in the relief and treatment of different ailments. Those constituents are useful to the maintenance of health in humans and other animals. One of which is flavonoids, that have been reported to exhibit a wide range of biological effects, including antihistaminic, antiplatelet, antineoplastic, anti-inflammatory, antiallergic, antilipoperoxidant or gastroprotective actions.
Flavonoids possess antiplatelet. Great. Flavonoids are considered to be one of the active components of Crescentia cuhiti fruit, or commonly known as calabash.
I read about this calabash tree. This is a species of flowering plant that is native to Central and South America. Calabash is occasionally cultivated for ornamental purposes only, but it has a very promising medicinal value. It has been reported that calabash was used by the folklore as a treatment for antiplatelet activities.
The calabash tree can be found here in the Philippines in the city of Davao. The Davaoeños often call it as a miracle tree because the tree possesses a lot of therapeutic use.